The way you slept last night might be slowly damaging your brain. And the position that feels the most comfortable? That's usually the worst one. Your brain literally washes itself every night, like a self-cleaning system. But in the wrong position, that process doesn't work as well. For example, if you sleep on your right side and have acid reflux, you're making it worse every single night. Your sleep position controls your breathing, your spine, and how you feel the next day. And there's one position that gets almost everything right. But most people still mess it up. If you wake up tired, even after 8 hours, this might be why. If you sleep curled up like this, check yourself. Most people go way too tight. You're not cozy, you're compressing your lungs and locking up your joints. Don't sleep like a question mark. Loosen up, slight stretch, pillow between your knees. This is where things start working in your favor. Side sleeping helps your brain clean itself more efficiently. But right side equals worse acid reflux. Left side equals better digestion. If you have heartburn and sleep on your right side, you're fighting gravity and losing every night. Looks solid, feels disciplined, but your body pays for it. You're pressing the same shoulder for hours. That's why you wake up at 3 a.m. shaking your arm, trying to get feeling back. This one seems harmless, but it adds up. Your arms are stretched forward all night. You're basically putting your nerves under tension for hours. If your fingers feel numb in the morning, this could be why. This looks like the perfect position. Straight spine, no pressure. But here's the catch. Your tongue falls back and partially blocks your airway. This is why snoring gets worse, and why you still wake up tired. Comfortable doesn't mean correct. Feels open, feels relaxed, but your arms are stuck in one position all night. More pressure, more nerve issues. And yes, still terrible for snoring. But none of those are doing the most damage. One position is quietly wrecking your body, and most people think it's harmless. If you sleep like this is the one you need to fix. You're twisting your neck for hours. That's like walking around all day, looking over your shoulder. Your spine isn't built for that. This is why you wake up stiff, sore, and tight. Neck pain, back pain, even faster wrinkles. You're training your body for pain every single night. Only upside? Less snoring. Not worth it. If you want the best position for your brain, spine, and breathing, this is it. Left side sleeping, slightly curled, pillow between your knees. Not too tight, not too loose. That's the position your body is built for, but most people still don't do it right. Most people watching this are sleeping wrong. Be honest, what position do you use? Comment it, and I'll tell you the one mistake you're probably making. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. What's coming next is something you won't want to miss.